let's take a close look at this open-ear bone conducting headphone called Runner Pro from Naenka. At the time of making this video, they are on sale and are being sold for only 120 American dollars. And for that much money, out of the box you get Naenka's proprietary magnetic charging cable, a user manual, an elastic wire of some sort which I'm not really sure where it goes or how to use, and finally a pair of earplugs like the kind you get on an airplane. The Naenka Runner Pro does not come with any sorts of carrying case, so the best way to carry them around would be to wear them on the neck if not in use. Also, I guess you can chuck them inside a backpack without having to worry about them getting tangled, as the bands are pretty rigid, which helps the headphone to always hold its shape. So the Runner Pro have an open ear design, which means nothing goes in or over the ears. They will sit outside of the ear and will use vibrations around the ears to transmit sound. This choice of design is great if you would always like to stay aware of your surroundings. Also, Naenka's intention with the Runner Pro is that it can be worn during extreme sport. As a result, they have also given the headphone a band around the back so that you don't have to worry about them falling out of your ears. The Naenka Runner Pro is mostly made from plastic and coated with a soft silicone-like material which makes them weigh around almost 35 grams. Now this is more than any in-ear earbuds, so there will be a bit of wear fatigue if you keep them on for a long time. Also, this comes in only one size, but the clamping force is more than enough to give a secure and tight fit for most people. In my tests where I had the volume at 100% and was listening music over Bluetooth, I got near about 3.5 hours of juice, which is not great considering that the Runner Pro almost takes 2 hours to recharge fully via the magnetic cable that it comes with. The best feature of the Naenka Runner Pro is its IPX8 waterproof rating. This means you can wash them, go swimming or take a bath with them, no problems. Only thing is that the Bluetooth does not work underwater, but fear not, these come with an 8GB onboard memory which will allow you to load up MP3 songs of the most popular format on them and then just go anywhere without your phone. The Naenka Runner Pro has physical controls. You get a volume rocker to change volume as well as tracks. Also, there is a power button with which you can enter pairing mode as well as switch between Bluetooth mode or the inbuilt MP3 mode. It is supposed to change between these two modes with 2 taps on the power button, but I seem to have a problem while changing the modes. It is very finicky. Sometimes it works, but most of the time it does not. I have tried to reset the headphone a couple of times to fix this, but still I have the same issues. This is a bit of a letdown for me, but not sure if it's just my unit or if it's a widespread issue. The Runner Pro connects via the Bluetooth 5.0 technology and has a 10-meter line of sight. But I can roam around my whole house leaving the phone in one room without any loss of connection, which is very impressive. Also, it supports the most popular AAC and SBC codecs, so streaming movies or playing some games on the mobile are well in sync.
Testing the microphone of the Naenka Runner Pro headphones. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3.
As you just heard, I think that the call quality is decent. It can focus on the voice in between a lot of background noise and wind, but if there is something that makes a lot of noise like a moving truck, then it will make a whooshing effect. So this whole bone conduction method feels like having some tiny speakers really close to your ears. There is a tiny vibration that you will feel, but over time I guess you will just get used to it. But the open ear design means that there will be a lot of sound leakage, and if you play music at 100% volume level, then chances are that you will have no privacy at all if there are people around you. But sometimes I feel like that I need a little more than 100% volume level, because if I'm in an environment like this where there's a lot of wind and then some background noises, then I feel like it's not just enough. I hardly can hear anything on these Naenka Runner Pro headphones. The reason, of course, is because there is no passive or active noise cancellation, but that was the intention from the get-go, so can't really fault these headphones there, because they are meant to keep you aware at all times. But there is a change in volume level if you move from the MP3 mode to the Bluetooth mode. The MP3 mode definitely sounds a lot louder and better. It is much more clearer and sharper as well than listening to anything over Bluetooth. The sound quality still though will not compare to anything like a floor speaker or even the in-ear headphones. The sound is very subdued in my opinion. If you're in a quiet room, then all the frequencies will sound clear and you will find that the equalizer is neutral, which is good. But on open places like on a gym or out in the street, it's very hard to listen to anything properly. So overall, I would say that the Naenka Runner Pro is an interesting product. It is definitely a budget competitor for the more popular AfterShokz headphones. If you're in the market for an open-ear headphone but you're unsure if you will like it or not, then I highly suggest that you try them out first, because these are not going to be everyone's cup of tea. But if you know what to expect out of bone conduction headphones, then the Runner Pro is a very good option. It will allow you to take your music anywhere even without your phone, and it's definitely built to last the most rough workout sessions. And the low price point really does make an interesting proposition. But that's just me. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafi signing off till next week. Peace.